In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change someone's hair color in Photoshop. Now, working with hair is very difficult in Photoshop because it's very hard to cut off. There's like fine bits. So I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways and a way that you can fiddle around with it to make it look good. So first of all, you want to come up here to the quick selection tool. Now, once you've selected that, make sure your brush size isn't too big or too small. If it's too big, you'll select too much. Now, you want to go over the hair. Make sure you've got your layer select over here. You want to go over the hair and you want to be quite detailed. Now, I would say it's better to have more than less, and I'll tell you why later. So if it overlaps a little bit, that's fine. Just make sure it includes all of the hair. Now, obviously, if it overlaps too much, like with the face here, what you can do is you can go to the minus at the top and you can deselect that. Now, I'm going to do this pretty quickly, so it's not going to be as good as you can do it when you spend time on it. So select all down here. You can see mine's very rough. You've got a chin in it. Remove the chin. It doesn't actually matter if you have the chin, that's the thing. Okay, nice. So we've got her hair approximately. You do this better. Now you want to right click this and layer via copy. Now we've basically got here, we've got her hair. It's pretty rough. And we also have the bottom layer, which is her. So we want to come down here to this thing here, and you want to go up to hue/saturation. Now click this little thing here, and that's going to link this to this. So now what you can do, you can fiddle around with a hair color. Now it doesn't look great right now, so let's say I want it like this. Changes this color. So we've changed the hair color from this to this. So what we're going to do now, and this is why I said overdo it rather than underdo it. You want to come to the eraser tool here, put the darkness on 0, the hardness on 0, and then change the size depending on how big your image is. So now we can zoom in, and we can go around her head, and if we click with the brush, it's going to kind of softly blend. So you want to do this so it softly blends in, the edge isn't so hard anymore. And as you can see, this is why I said do more, is because you can always cut some off, but you can't really add more. So if I go down her face, it's pretty good around here. A bit of fading around here. And this is going to make it look a bit more, it looks a lot less blocky now, as before it looked quite blocky, and now it kind of blends in a bit better. Also, you see her ear, you'd want to obviously remove that. So yeah, give that a go, and that's how I would do it in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.